Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can restrict your participants from direct messaging each other. So let's say I'm teaching a lesson and I want my students to work independently on this question. Currently, participants have the ability to direct message each other. So with independent work, this can be a problem because they could potentially be sharing answers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the participants' ability to direct message each other. So if I go to my participants and I select permissions, I can see here that currently the ability for participants to message each other is on. If I unselect this box and save the changes, participants will no longer be able to direct message each other. However, they will still be able to direct message me, the host. This change is not permanent. If I select the box again and save the changes, participants will once again be able to direct message each other. Here we are going to be looking at the participant's point of view of the enabling and disabling of the permission to direct message other participants. As you can see here, Paulina no longer has the capability to direct message Haley. However, she still has the capability to direct message me as I'm the host and she is a participant. Here I've re-enabled the permission for participants to direct message each other, and as you can see, Paulina is once again able to direct message Haley. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen.